These are some of the component parts of the front wheel of the Piaggio Ape 50. I think it's a TL3. I'm going to put on the tyre and tube there now onto that section. I haven't got the spring restored yet, and that'll be next to be done. And then I must move on to cleaning the handlebars and the starter mechanism and the gear levers and throttle. Now this part of the rim goes on first. I had an awful job to get off the old tyre off of it, so to get this on as well you need to lubricate it in some way, so I'm going to lubricate with Vaseline around the edge of it here, and that'll help it to slide on a bit better. Before I actually put on the rim, I'm actually going to put the tube on, because with these wheels you have two halves and you have to put in the tube first before you can put on the rims. Now that's the tube in position. I must put air into it now just to blow it up so that it sits reasonably right inside in the tyre itself. So now I'm after inflating the tube, and I'm going to put on the this frame part. This hole on the side of it there goes down over the tube. I'll have to step on it to get it to push down a bit. Right, that's in place there now. I walked around on top of it to get it to sit down, and turn it over. I'll have to put Vaseline here now again. Actually I've already done it, so this side now goes down and this sections match up here. Like so. So now I must put on bolts and spring washers to hold it in place, and I'm going to use stainless steel ones. Now I've got the stainless steel bolts in place with spring washers, and I'm going to tighten them up now. Now those bolts are all tightened up, and I can put air into the wheel now, and it'll fit out onto the rim. It's not quite sitting out onto it yet, there's not enough of air in it. It's all filled with air there now, so the rim is after sitting out, and it'll adjust itself over a time anyway as it's driven. It's a great idea in actual fact the way this is done. Very easy to sort out if you get punctured. Great idea. So anyway, that's how to install the tyre and tube on Piaggio Ape TL3. This model is probably a lot of the other ones are going to be quite similar.